Hello everybody, good morning. I am coming to you fresh. Just woke up with the afro in my robe because I'm gonna try to do a vlog today, like a day in my life. We'll see how this goes. I have a lot to do today, you guys. I'm actually on PTO, so I have been just focusing on my content creation, and it is a lot. This full-time content creation stuff is really something. It's really a lot. But today I have to record, I have to clean up my room. I have like so much to record down here. So my room's not messy, it's just like I have a lot of hauls to do. So stay tuned for that coming up on my channel. And then I have date night. So I gotta like figure this out because, you know, sis needs to look nice. She needs to look nice. So that's what's going on today. I'm probably gonna shoot some videos as well. But I'm gonna try to record like a day in my life while I'm doing this, you guys. I never really do vlogs without knowing what is gonna happen, so this should be interesting. It is Vlogmas time, so I feel like this is the perfect time to try out a vlog, see how I like it, and maybe I'll do this monthly or weekly. We shall see. I don't know, you guys. But yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I already edited a video this morning, you guys. I've been up. I woke up around like 6-ish, prayed, and then I set a video to schedule a video to post later on today at 11. It's a Fashion Nova haul. Check it out. I have linked above. So I think I have 30 minutes, so I think I'll sit down. Let me sit down and then like create my plan for the rest of the day, so I can have some kind of structure today. Got to mention, this is like my to-do list. I use this for everything. So I'm gonna just be looking at this. If you're wondering why I'm pulling out a huge whiteboard, this is kind of how I get myself to feel like I'm doing things. I get to cross it off, and it's the best feeling ever. If you feel me, comment down below. Yes, I'm working for my bed, doing some great. Okay. I am feeling so amazing. God is so good. I just finished praying and that was amazing. Tip, write everything down that God tells you, because you think you remember but you probably won't. So just write it down and don't play yourself. But yeah, God is amazing, you guys. Life is just literally the best thing ever. I'm gonna go and bring some of this trash downstairs because I'm gonna have more trash after I finish all of that haul. I'm gonna have so much more trash, but the other trash is like from the other hauls I've done. There's just a lot of boxes that I need to get out of this room. Like, you guys probably already saw it, like in the corner of my room is a bunch of boxes. So I'm gonna do that first. All right, you guys, so I just went downstairs to bring this stuff downstairs, and I had to wash some dishes and realized that there's no more dish soap. And I remember my grandma did tell me that there's no more dish soap, so I need to go get some dish soap. This is a real day of my life, so this is what's going on. We're just gonna, can we all agree that like I just look like I can go outside, like, you know, this is okay, right? This could have been an intentional style, right? You know, right? I think it could have been. I'm just gonna go with it. I just threw on this random sweater dress and we're about to go. Do you ever turn the car off without without putting it on park? I'm notorious for that, and it's not okay. Running. Got the dish soap, now we're going home. I just had the craziest turn to my day. I am currently in a towel because I need to go shower. Okay, two things. One, I'm gonna have to cook some dinner tonight, so I need to go to Fiesta to grab some fish. I'm gonna make fish and plantains. I should have a whole tutorial on my channel. Check it out. I'll link it up above and down below. Second thing, I literally just realized that I have a holiday party that I was supposed to go to at 11, and it's literally like 11:15 right now. I'm freaking late. This was not in my plan for the day. Like, there is a lot going on. There's a lot going on. So the plan is to get ready, go to this holiday party, get there around like 12:30, end at 2. So get there around like 12:30, and then I will go to the Fiesta, pick up the fish, and I'll just have them clean it for me so that I can come home and just season it and put it in the oven, so that way there'll be dinner ready for my family. I live at home. And then after that, I will record the content that I've been trying to prep to record literally all morning. But that's okay. It seems like we're gonna have a fun day. You guys are gonna meet my friends, Pearl and Cynthia. So you guys are going to run into them, we'll chat. It should be a fun time. I'm gonna just glorify the Lord and praise God anyway, because it's going to be a great productive day no matter what, okay? All right, you guys, I just got out of the shower. I figure out what to do with my hair right now. Some of it got wet in the shower because I didn't properly tie it, but that's fine. So let me put you guys down so I can hurry up. I have like 20 minutes to get out of here, going to my plan with my friend. Sunscreen and moisturizer. So I'm gonna do moisturize first and then sunscreen. And then, what should I do with my hair? I have no idea. I think I'll just go like my go-to, I'd have no idea what to do, is a bun. I'm gonna side swoop, but I actually have a video on my channel about it. So I'll link it. Because this is real life right now. Bam, bam, bam. Okay. That is all in. And you guys, this sunscreen that I use is actually a Trader Joe's sunscreen. It's not the one that went viral on TikTok. It's just, I was trying to buy that one, but they ran out. And I got this one instead. And you guys, it's $3.99 and it literally disappears into the face as well. So I was like, Trader Joe's sunscreens, I guess, are just like bomb either way. I know it looks white right now, but just watch. Just watch it go away. It's amazing. This you put on your neck, your forehead, and you're gonna go up, not down. It's upward and forward only into the scene. Okay, do you guys see that? Do you guys see this? Where's the sunscreen? Where is it? Okay, I just need to rub it in. But do you guys see that? Like, I need to put my eyebrows done. It is gone. So highly recommend it. This is, you guys, I'm a hot mess right now. Okay, hair. Okay, for my hair, spray bottle, and I'm gonna wet the hair a little bit. All right, that's the hair. I'm gonna wrap it and then figure out what I'm wearing. Let's put these things back. All right, I have a few options for what I'm going to wear. There's this dress, which my aunt made for me. She does crochet. She's so good at it. I would have to put something under because obviously there's like little holes in there. So there's that. So that's more effort to think about what to wear. There's this dress. It's like a velvet green one. And then there's this one, which is supposed to be brown, but it's giving off more of a maroon color on camera. But it's, yeah, it's just like a midi dress. I'm thinking this is giving more holiday. So I should wear this, right? And just some black boots and then black jeans. I mean, jeans, wow. Jacket. This, I would do the same thing, but I feel like this is just more holiday. And since it's the holiday party, I think I'm gonna go for this one. I was gonna do makeup, but I don't have time for that. So I think I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna wear these boots. Literally the best boots. Every woman needs these boots. I will have them linked down below. You will need these boots. I wear these all winter. They're super comfortable. They're so cute. It's like a sock boot, but it's leather. They're just super cute. I'll do a whole video on them. So I'm gonna put this, and then this jacket I got from Boohoo that I still have to do the haul on. I'm just gonna wear it because I need a jacket. But you guys, for jewelry, I just have these on and my watch. That's gonna be it. And then for fragrance, I'm using the Dossier Floral Lavender. It's inspired by Well Cell Lead. So I'm just gonna put that on real quick. And yes, I overspray. Don't judge me, okay? I must smell good. Alright, that's the fragrance. We gotta go. Hey guys! Are you recording?
Yes.
Hey, made it to the holiday party. This is Pearl. This is Cynthia. These are my A1 day ones. Say what's up? Let's show the fits. Let's show the fits. Look, okay? Look at the fits, okay? Cynthia's literally in a meeting right now. She's really an A1 day one. Okay, we haven't gone inside yet. And I'm like worried that people are literally seeing me doing these things out here. So we're gonna go inside. So are you ready now? Are you done your meeting? No. How long is your meeting?
I don't know, really. It's been long. I did it real. Isn't that?
Yes, I got you. This is the place. It's super cute. It's giving Christmas vibes. Christmas vibes. Holiday party vibes. This is my hair finished look. We did something, you guys. We did something.
I was really having my thing on and she's there doing pressing. It's contents, baby.
Hey you guys, I left the holiday party around like 2:30. It is now 3:11. I just made it to Fiesta. It's right there. Fiesta. I'm gonna go and grab some fish. Update on this Dossier YSL Leap Inspiration perfume. I think it's called Floral Lavender. It smells so good. Like it is purring. It smells so good. Thank you. Have a good day. I made it back home and I just changed, put a t-shirt on so I can go and make that fish really quick. Hey guys, I am back from cooking, eating the rest of my plantain. You guys, it has been a day. It's already 5:45. Not one video has been recorded, not one. But I'm about to just try to just do it right now. So I don't know what time I'm gonna pick up. I think today's gonna be late anyway. So I feel like I have until 7:30. It's my speculations. I just heard a doorbell ring, but I'm pretty sure that's not my ride. I'm pretty sure that is a package. Turned out it was a package, so might as well do some unboxing since this is a vlog. Guess what I got, you guys? I got my MONAT stuff. Here it is right here. We are Modern Nature. MONAT. Let me get some scissors. I will do a whole video dedicated to MONAT, but I did become a VIP, so I'm not like a market partner. I don't sell the products. But I just wanted to try it out literally for my hair's sake because I got heat damage on my hair. I'll talk about it in another video. And I'm like so upset about it. So I'm trying to use something that's gonna be natural, good for my hair, and help it to grow. And there's a lot of things out there, but I just want to try out MONAT. I've just been hearing so much about it. So let me just try it. It says, so let me show you guys what's in here. It's completely, so you can see. That's what the box looks like. I got like a bunch of hair products, and then they also gave me a free Rejuvenate oil because they were having like a sale for something. So what's in here? So in here is my Renew shampoo. These are just the stuff that I picked out. So there's the shampoo in there, the Super Nourish oil cream conditioner, and what else is in there? I got the Volumizing Revitalize conditioner. This is small. This is like $65. Excuse me. Wow. Okay, the Intense Repair treatment. This is supposed to be like help your hair grow back if you're like losing hair. What is this one? Hair transformation mask. So there's that. What else do you have in here? This is the Rejuvenate oil. Everybody talks about this, so it's like this is great. I got this one for free. I bought this one, I got it for free. It's great. Yeah, these products are not cheap, child. Okay, the Intense Repair conditioner and the Volumizing Revive shampoo. How did I get all these things? Oh, there was a travel size one. Okay, just kidding, you guys. These are the regular size and this is the travel size. I was like, this is too small. Okay, they came to visit me to eat fish. How was the fish? I didn't even get it in the thingy. Can you imagine?
Very good, but this is the last thing I have. I continue, I'm saving it because it's like it's so good. So I'm just
maybe I'll insert the little reel you post.
You just bring in one, so.
Yeah, that's true. Teacher's here!
I come bearing gifts.
That's a gifted man. What is that? Oh, there was one that was the thing was cut off.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna take the top, okay, Cynthia? It's for purpose.
This is the fish. This is seconds, okay? Because babes is worth seconds. Okay, talk to her nice. Wrap up this vlog here. This day was very eventful and honestly quite a lot, but I had a lot of fun. And no, I did not finish recording the boohoo haul. That's alright, we always have tomorrow morning, so I'll start that tomorrow. But right now I am ready to go out for a date night. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys my outfit really quickly, and then I'm gonna head out. I'm actually wearing the 2-piece that I got from Fashion Nova. Check out that haul. It was a lot of great pieces on there, and I have all the links in the description box in that video. But yeah, I'm wearing one of those 2 pieces. It's like a more chiller date night, and I'm just like stepping it up or dressing it up with some heels, and you guys will see it in the try on portion. If you guys want me to do more of these vlogs, let me know down below in the comments, because it was actually kind of fun. It was a lot, but it was really fun. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day today, and of course, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a big like. And then if you like all things style, self-development, and career development, make sure to subscribe to this channel, because I would love to have you. And if you really want to be my friend, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and DM me, and I'll be so happy to show you some love. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.